Hello, welcome to all of you to this channel. I'm Kirti Ratna. This is a educational channel for GIS interested people to share my knowledge. Today I will demonstrate how to edit shapefile using software. I have explained little bit what is the shapefile editing part in the first part of this video. Let's move into our software. This is my ArcGIS software interface. First of all, I have to add background layer for this work. For that, I have created Geo-referenced file in last lesson. Those layers I will add it to as my background layer. Using my catalog, I can connect my folder. This is today folder. Inside this folder, there are 4 image files. Those are TIFF image files actually inside. I will drag and drop this first part of TIFF file into my workspace. It is appear like this. I click simply OK. Using this check mark, we can on off my layer. Actually, today I will try to manipulate point layer using this background layer. Those point I will take into my shapefile. For that, I need to create shapefile inside my folder. Again, I'm going to catalog and on top of my folder, click right. Selecting new command, there is a inside shapefile command. Clicking on this shapefile, it will appear create new shapefile dialog box. I have to provide my shapefile names. I will give place name underscore place name. It is shape point file. This is a picture type. I already select point. This is a point file. Now I want to define a special reference. It means coordinate. Go to this edit button and I simply type here 5234. That is a Andhavala coordinate system number. Clicking on search button or hitting enter, I can simply navigate to my coordinate system. This is a Kandhavala Sri Lankan grid. Those are the descriptions. What I have typed here, this number, that is the EPSP number. Clicking OK, my coordinates also added to my shapefile. Then finally, I am clicking OK. It will create shapefile and added to table of contents. You can see there is a inside create folder, there is a place name, new shapefile. It is added to this table of contents under layers. Right clicking on this, we can simply open our attribute table. There is nothing, any recorded values for the tables, but there are 3 fields hidden in this shapefile. We need to add another field for the place name. So then it should be text field. So then I need to add another field. Using this table option button, again I will click. Using this table option button, I can select add field command. This is the add field. It will appear add field dialog box. We have to provide field name. My field names also I will provide place name underscore place. It is I have to define field type. It should be text field. So then I am simply expanding this area and select text. Other default value I keep same as default and clicking OK. My field also added to my shapefile. You can see like this. Right, dragging on this to here. My place name also appear. Again I close and I click on this automatically. Place names now is clearly displayed. I keep this table here. Now I want to get the editor toolbar. This is editor toolbar for the editing my shapefile. If there is no editor toolbars, you know now, you can get simply right click on this empty spaces and selecting editor command. It is appear like this. I keep it in here inside these places. Before editing, I want to change the symbols of my shapefile. Double clicking on this symbol icon, symbol selector dialog box open, panels open. I simply click circle and I want to change color using this color panel. I am selecting this pink color. Also I need to change size. I decrease size or increase size. You can use in this, or if not, you can simply type here your values. Then clicking OK, it will come to like this under page name. I took this little bit larger to clearly see. Then I need to start editing this shapefile. Using editor toolbars, this editor command, under that editor command there is a button, there is a command start editing. Clicking on this, it will go to start editing. My shapefile names also appear here. There, I want to continue this editing. Then my editor toolbars, some icons have been highlighted. Using the last command is actually this create feature, and we can simply click on get create features panel. This is inside that create features panel. My shapefile names also appear with the symbol. I'm drag little bit here. Clicking on top of this file name, you can see constructions tools. Before going to editing, we have to get these constructions tools. So using this point constructions tool, I can add point values for my shapefile. Again, I'm taking this point value. First, I can identify this is a table. This is symbol is temple. On top of that symbol, I click on it and my points added to tables also. You can see in here. Then I am simply type my place name as temple. Likewise, I will manipulate other symbols also. This is a symbol for the school. Clicking on that, I mark as that is school. Then those are house symbols. So then clicking on that and little bit larger square here is I mark as factory or other factory. Again. This is another school. Those are houses. Likewise, I can mark points. This is another school. These symbols I will mark as others. Those are others under others category. This is another table. Using this hand tool, I move a little bit here. Again, I want to take this point and another factory here. Those are houses. Likewise, you can mark each and every points using this method. Now I am stop my editing part. Again house. Now I stop editing part. For that I need to see there's a tables. I have added 14 points to this shape file. One out of one is selected. For the in here you can clear selection using this table button. Also there is a tool select features in the tools toolbar. Using these select features we can simply select clicking on the our features and see those values inside the table. Clicking on this area also you can select our features. If you want to edit more, using edit tools we can move or drag our shape file to little like that. Those editing parts also included in this editing process. Now I want to stop editing. For that I go to this small cursor and little toolbars and selecting stop editing. Again I will do go to editor and stop editing. Select. Then there is a message, do you want save edit? Yes, I want save edit, and my edit then have also saved. I am simply closing this tables, and again I am right clicking on this name and open select attribute table. My all 14 points can be seen. My editing part is now over. Additionally, I want to categorize those editing points using Player Properties panel. By clicking on this table editing process, you can select Properties box. Right click on this name and go to Properties. There's a Player Properties panel. There's a tab Symbology. Under that Symbology tab, you can see feature single symbols. Now already our file selected as a symbol single. If I want to categorize these as my names, using these categories tab, there is a unique value. Under unique value, I have to define value field. This is not ID. Actually, I have made another column for the place names. Under place names, I can categorize those values choosing add all values. This is a factory, this is a house, this is for the other schools and temples. I can also change those symbols using double clicking on this and this symbol selector file. Factory, I will give this type of hexagon and select this color, and it will 15, right? Okay, and then houses, clicking on square, I will give also that 15, right? Others I can give square, so I will give 15. I want to change colors as this type of okay. Then schools, clicking on that, I will select this diamond shape with red, 15 as 10 plus. I will double click once and I will select these symbols and the 15, and I will select as this 5. Likewise, I can categorize my places and applying these, it will apply on table of contents also in my maps. Unchecking this, we can clearly see our final outputs like this. Likewise, you can manipulate and update these features to our shapefiles layer. Today I am wind up these lessons, and I want to let you know, please comment my works to the comment section for my happiness, and I will meet another lesson for the line editing. Until that, safe, stay at home. Bye bye.